The following is a public access program and does present the views for its staff and
That
management.
is a tight fit.
As it goes so fast, like a flash through you it comes. As it goes so sharp, like steel you can.
Welcome back to the channel. We are adding some black wrap to our 981 Porsche GT4. Let's take a look how the progress is going. Damn, shiny McShines a lot. Wow, those scratches are gone, you're right. They're all gone.
Yeah, they go away.
Wow. Now that I see how fast you did the roof, I'd be blown away.
The bumpers is probably something that takes the longest.
Kind of like just take the whole thing.
Just pull straight back, all the way.
Don't stop, don't stop.
This is so cool.
Great stuff. It's called a tracer wire.
This guy developed it, and then he couldn't foresee the whole business because he had to like set orders and like he couldn't keep up with it.
Right.
So he sold it to 3M.
Oh, geez, and now look.
Yeah.
Yeah. And everyone breathes out.
We're all holding our breath. Okay, one more time, guys. Hold your breath.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. Wow, look
That
at
capped that off nicely.
It goes in there.
Oh, look at the definition in that line. Thank you so much for watching and joining us on this journey as we take our race cars to the racetracks and share our experiences with you.
I'd love to tell you the answer.